Let's talk about that girl. The girl who wakes up early, journals her thoughts, drinks her matcha, and looks effortlessly put together. You've probably seen the aesthetic on TikTok or Pinterest. But becoming that girl isn't about buying expensive things or living a perfect life. It's about building small habits that make you feel confident, productive, and in control. So today, let's break it down step by step. Morning routine. Start with your mornings. That girl usually has a calm, intentional start to her day. Wake up a little earlier, make your bed, and give yourself time before rushing. Even 10 minutes of journaling, stretching, or sipping tea can set the mood for the whole day. A peaceful morning creates momentum and sets the tone for everything that follows. It's your chance to set intentions before the world demands your attention. Prioritize your wellness. Your body is your home. Take care of it. Move your body daily, whether it's walking, yoga, or a quick workout. Pair that with mindful eating, colorful meals, lots of water, and choices that fuel your energy instead of draining it. Staying active boosts confidence, while healthy food keeps your skin glowing and your mind sharp. It's not about perfection, it's about balance and consistency. Over time, these habits make you stronger, healthier, and unstoppable. Always look presentable and smell good. That girl always looks put together even on casual days. Wear clean, well-fitted clothes, choose simple accessories, and never underestimate the power of smelling fresh. A light perfume, body mist, or even just staying hygienic can leave a lasting impression without saying a word. Personal grooming. Grooming makes a huge difference. Take care of your skin, keep your nails clean, and maintain neat hair. Even simple hairstyles can look elegant. Having a minimal, natural makeup routine or a clean bare face is part of the effortless that girl vibe. Good grooming shows you respect yourself. Use your time wisely. That girl doesn't waste hours just sitting around. Instead of scrolling endlessly or feeling bored, put your free time into hobbies or personal projects. Learn a new skill, paint, bake, read, or even start something creative online. Working on your hobbies makes you productive and fulfilled. Every moment you invest in yourself brings you closer to the person you want to be. Stay classy, no gossip, no loud energy. One thing about that girl, she carries herself with grace. Avoid gossiping, drama, or being unnecessarily loud to grab attention. Real confidence is calm, collected, and respectful. People admire those who stay grounded and elegant, even in tough situations. Protecting your energy keeps you glowing. Silence and maturity speak louder than any words. Don't seek validation. That girl doesn't live for likes or approval from others. She knows her worth and doesn't need outside validation to feel beautiful or important. The more you love yourself, the less you crave anyone else's approval. True confidence comes from within. And when you stop chasing validation, you gain freedom to grow, explore, and truly shine. Choose your circle wisely. The people around you shape your energy. Surround yourself with uplifting, positive, and motivated people who push you to grow, not those who drain you with negativity. Quality matters more than quantity when it comes to friendships. When your circle matches your values, you'll naturally rise higher. Remember, your circle is a reflection of your standards. Be kind and respectful. That girl treats people with kindness and respect. She respects boundaries, doesn't cross lines, and makes others feel valued. Being polite and empathetic makes you unforgettable. Kindness never goes unnoticed, and it creates an aura people admire. Remember, the way you treat others says everything about who you are. Be social, but true to yourself. That girl doesn't isolate herself, but she also doesn't force connections that feel fake. Be social, attend gatherings, meet people, but always according to your comfort and nature. Authenticity is key. You don't need to be everyone's friend. The right people will appreciate you for who you are, not for who you pretend to be. Set boundaries. That girl knows her limits and respects herself enough to set boundaries. It's okay to say no when something doesn't align with your peace or values. Protecting your time and energy is a form of self-care. Boundaries create balance and teach others how to treat you. When you set clear limits, you gain control over your life instead of letting others control it. Aesthetic habits. Start incorporating little rituals like journaling, reading instead of endless scrolling, or keeping your space tidy. Light a candle, use a planner, or set up a cozy corner for work. These small touches create a lifestyle that feels both productive and peaceful. Your environment reflects your mind. When your space looks good, you feel good. Even small routines can make your day feel intentional and elevated. Look for opportunities to grow and learn. Never stop improving. Whether it's taking a course, learning a new skill, or saying yes to challenges, growth is part of that girl's mindset. Every experience is a chance to become better and wiser. Growth keeps life exciting and fulfilling. When you focus on learning, you'll always move forward instead of staying stuck. Help others. Part of becoming that girl is not just focusing on yourself, but lifting others up too. Offer help, encourage your friends, and celebrate other people's wins. Supporting others makes you glow in a way no skincare routine ever could. Helping others doesn't take away from your journey, it makes it richer. What you give always comes back to you. Start a side hustle. That girl is always looking for ways to grow, and starting a side hustle is a powerful step. It could be freelancing, selling something online, content creation, or tutoring, anything that builds skills and independence. A side hustle gives you financial freedom and a sense of accomplishment. It's not just about money, it's about building confidence and creating opportunities for your future. Romanticize your life. That girl finds joy in the little things. Light a candle when you study, play your favorite playlist while cooking, or dress up, even if you're just staying home. Life feels better when you make the ordinary feel special. Romanticizing your life makes every day worth remembering. It's about creating magic in the simple routines you already have. Capture small wins and moments. Celebrate your progress, no matter how small. Finished a book? Journal it. Cooked a meal you're proud of? Take a picture. These little wins remind you that growth is happening daily. Capturing moments also helps you stay grateful for the present. Over time, these small achievements build your confidence and show how far you've come. So remember, becoming that girl isn't about perfection, it's about building habits that make you feel confident, peaceful, and unstoppable. Start small, stay consistent, and you'll see yourself transform day by day. Your glow up begins the moment you decide to take control of your life. So go after your goals, respect yourself, and create the life you've always dreamed of.